Hi guys, so recently I bought a Vivaro. It's 2016, and apparently most of them they've got a problem with the armrest. So because the previous owner left the seat was pretty much minging, I've decided to take off the cover and I give it a proper wash. And then I thought I'm gonna have a look into the armrest issue. So for those who are suffering the same problem, I can maybe show you how to remove that and what the actual problem is. So in order to remove it, you need to take that little cap off, just pry it with the screwdriver. Then you can take that adjustment wheel, sort of a broken English by the way. It's held with those two clips. Again, just a wee screwdriver job. And now, in order to actually remove the armrest, you need to, of course, unzip the seat. I'm not too sure yet how I'm gonna put it all back together, but I'll think about it tomorrow or in a couple of days time. So in order to remove the armrest, you need to undo that foam, and then you can see the little metal clip. You need to, I'm not the greatest YouTuber, you need to pull the, take it away, and then your armrest comes off. Now, exactly, I was just gonna remove the cover just so you can maybe see it better. And then we've got the, of course, foam. We can pull the foam away. So that's our mechanism. I'll put the phone on stand so I can undo 3 bolts. You can take off the plastic cover, and this is our mechanism. Now, I've got no idea how the adjustment actually works, but it doesn't. So I'm not gonna even try to sort that in the same way like it was. Instead, I'm gonna sort it in my own way. The armrest goes in like that, and I don't know if you can, it's not you're probably not going to be able to see that, but what I'm gonna do, because I'm the welder for trade, I'm just gonna build up a piece of sort of metal here. So thanks to that, my armrest is gonna be in that sort of position, which I think is, I'm gonna try it tomorrow. I'm gonna adjust that with the grinder once I've got my metal built up here, and that's gonna be, it's not gonna have any adjustment anymore, but at least should be comfier than in that position like it was when it was broken. So hopefully, as I'm saying, I'm not the greatest YouTuber, but hopefully I can help somebody here. And yeah, that's about it. And of course, yeah, you can of course dismantle that piece, take it all all off. I'm doing everything with one hand. Yeah, so you can simply take that piece away and do your wee job. I've seen a folks using drilling and tapping a little screw here. That could be an option as well. So yeah, that's about it.